Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. What we can see here, so we have a multi-time frame view. On the top left, we have a 5-minute, top right hourly, bottom left daily time frame, and bottom right weekly time frame. So here, what we can see, let's start from the weekly time frame first. So what we have here is the breakout so far of the inside week formation. So market is breaking. You can see also the breakout in the daily time frame, and we can see here the market is correcting, probably doing the ABC kind of formation. We have the recent swing highs that can act like support. So this is the area around 1.0880, which is also the rising 50 bar and hourly time frame. So there is a chance for this ABC and then the upside continuation on the euro dollar, and then the next upside objective will be around 1.0930, 1.0950 mark. So that is a structured time watching and paying attention to. Bitcoin versus US dollar, we have a consolidation, an inside day. I will just zoom in daily time frame for you. So you can see here, after this strong rejection and close in the middle, the next bar was inside of this bigger candle. And this is now something that I'm paying attention to. So this pin bar low is set at 59,000. So the high of that candle is around 69,400. So I would like to see the breakout of the low. So around 50, if we can see the breakout of the 59,000, and this can be a strong sign for the further drop towards 53,000 or even the 50,000 mark. But from the other side, if we see the breakout of 69,400, then we can even try, and Bitcoin can even try to trade towards 75,000 or even 80,000 mark. So far, again, market is holding this rising 10-day moving average, but we have a consolidation inside, more like a building contraction now on Bitcoin in the last 2 days. Dollar index. This is something that I alerted in my previous update. So there was a bear flag on the daily time frame. The weekly is trading downside. So this chart is like pretty much opposite of the euro dollar because they're negatively colorated. So the dollar index went downside, euro went higher. There was a bear flag on dollar index. So the next level to watch on dollar index is all the way down at around 102.90, 102.75 mark. Hourly time frame is building lower highs and lower lows. We just made a lower low on the hourly time frame, so it seems like the weakness on the US dollar is not over, and there is still chance for the further drop on dollar index. Now, naturally, gold, which was the relative strength leader, really did a great job, especially since this 2050 breakout around 2050 mark, so all the way like $100 rally in just a couple of days. And we also made an all-time high on the gold market. So there is a lots of momentum going on in the last, I will say, 5 days on the gold market. Hourly, it's holding pretty well. You can see here just the tight flags and rally, and just still holding and grinding. There is no major sign of weakness. So now the only thing we can do here is try to project something like from the most recent swings to see like this ABC from the most recent swing. So the next area to watch is 2174 from the most recent swing low, swing high, and swing low at this point. So this is the level 2174 that can be objective for today for further rally. So pay attention to that level. Now we have a crude oil. There was there are a couple of attempts for the market to break and hold above, actually above this 79. There was a pin bar yesterday. This was not particularly good to see. Not good sign of strength when the market closed in the middle of the daily range. But weekly perspective, it's still, from my perspective, poised for the rally next period. So overall, short-term, mid-term, definitely there is a chance for crude oil to even go towards 90 mark, and then even let's say first like 84, 50, 60 mark, and then 90 mark. But then you can see there was a strong rejection yesterday, more like a profit taking, and now a consolidation in the hourly time frame that is happening. But still chance, short-term, mid-term, we can see daily, weekly still looks, they look pretty good for the further upside development. So I would like to see the rebreak of eventually 79.50, and then this can be a good on the hourly for the upside continuation. And let's take a look at the NASDAQ 100, what we have there. So we had an inside day yesterday, and we left the tail, selling tail. Here what I will watch is potential break of 17,850, 17,800 mark, because if we can see that breakout, so what can happen is there is a potential for the drop towards this rising 50-day moving average in the pin bar area from this point. So the area around 17,400, 17,360. Hourly time frame, as you can see, had a rally, but then there is no follow through, and then we can see this was just probably just a correction, and then we have a downside continuation. So that will be all for this daily market InstaForex analysis. Have a good trading day, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.